Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which two benefits that the Cisco Meraki MV platform gains from leveraging the cloud and edge architecture are? True. Choose 2. Option A. All recorded video footage is stored in the Cisco Meraki cloud servers for long-term archiving. Option B. Integration with other cloud-based physical security and access control systems is enabled. Option C. Instant video playback is within the Cisco Meraki dashboard with zoom and enhance availability. Option D. Granular, role-based access can be configured and quickly shared with third parties, such as law, emergency responders. Option E. No dependencies on a network video recorder system reduces complexity and OpEx, CapEx. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. All recorded video footage is stored in the Cisco Meraki cloud servers for long-term archiving. Option D. Granular, role-based access can be configured and quickly shared with third parties, such as law, emergency responders. Question 2. Which technology is used by Cisco StealthWatch to collect traffic for threat analysis? Option A. S-Flow. Option B. NetFlow. Option C. SNMP. Option D. RMON. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. NetFlow. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.